about functional response. Even though I'm not mathematical technology, but it's in the content. So I'm not expert to say something about functional responses because mostly functional responses are the concepts of a prey-predator model. So so የተወሰነ ነገር ነው የምነግራችሁ ማለት ነው እዚህ ኤሪያ ላይ። So a functional response describes the relationship between the predator's consumption rate and the prey density, which means that the prey eaten per predator per unit time is studies about that concept. So functional response is just finds that relationship, the number of prey eaten per predator per unit time. So the key components are here. There is a predator, there is a prey, and there is a consumption rate. The predator is a consumer. The predator is a consumer. The predator is a consumer. The prey is a resource. And consumption rate is just a function of the prey. It's said to be the function of a prey, f of n, which is prey eaten per predator per time. Consumption rate is prey eaten per predator per time. And the prey density is, we can say n is just as prey density, the number of prey per given area, the number of prey per given area. And we can draw the consumption rate Fn versus the density n, just like this one. We can represent the general functional response in such a way. So functional response determines the population dynamics and stability, trophic cascades, biological control efficacy, and the ecosystem resilience. Just these concepts are related to the functional response. So functional response determines these concepts. The other one, the basic concept in prey-predator is total time that the predator takes. So the total time the predator takes is just the searching time is here plus the handling time times the total number of prey eaten by the predator. So we have the handling time and there is a search time. So the function Fn, the function Fn, which is equal to the total number of prey eaten per total time available, where there is a total time available for a given predator to feed a given prey in a given area. So that will be obtained by this relation. The other one is searching efficiency, the probability per unit time that the predator encounters a prey. So how the encounter can occur, which is the searching time, we can take the attack rate. We have A is an attack rate, N is the total number of prey in the given area, and TS is the searching time for the predator that searches the prey. So encounters refers to the number of successful prey-predator encounter or connection per unit time. So that is said to be an encounter. And when we say consumption rate related to the prey density, so the consumption rate increases linearly with prey density until a maximum is reached, which is the first type of functional response in the law. It's type 1 functional response. Type 1 functional response ምንለው holding type 1 ምንለው the consumption rate increases linearly with prey density until a maximum is reached, a maximum level of predation, or the maximum level of the praise available in that area. So the functional response Fn is equal to A times N, where A is the slope, we can say the slope, but it's said to be an attack rate. It's the slope of the consumption for a type 1 predator. If the number of the total number of the preys is less than the maximum number of preys, and it's said to be Cmax if the total number of preys is greater than or equal to the maximum number of preys. So if it go to the linear way, it grows to the linear way, but suddenly it stops and becomes it becomes just constant. It reaches to the constant because it reaches the maximum number of prey a predator can consume per unit time. Here in the type 1 functional response, a searching time is not available. Mostly those predators that follow filter feeders, their filter feeders follow this type of functional response. So the maximum number of preys is equal to the Cmax, which is Cmax is the number of the maximum number of preys that a predator can consume per unit time, which is Cmax over A, where A is the attack rate of the predator. So a functional response F1 is a functional response for type 1 is mostly represented by A times N, or if it is less than the maximum number of preys. But if it is greater than the maximum number, mostly we take it as the constant Cmax. We take as a constant Cmax, which is called the type 1 functional response. In a type 1 functional response, it's a constant search rate, no handling time, and unlimited capacity of the resources. Resources are unlimited, but there is a maximum level of preys in that area. And random encounters. There are random encounters. Yeah. So since there are an abundant number of preys, a predator can search at any time. So in type 1 functional response, there is no handling time. That's why it becomes linear. And the rate is the prey eaten per time. The prey eaten over time is the rate, which is Fn is A times the total number of preys in a given area. So what are the limitations? Which is unrealistic for most predators. It ignores handling time, assumes unlimited resource consumption, and it's rare in nature. And most of the time, filter feeders are may use this type of functional response. The other functional response is type 2, Holing type 2 functional response, or hyperbolic functional response, or Michel's Menten functional response. The consumption rate increases as a decrease rate approaching at an asymptotic level. It has a maximum level of predation. It has a maximum level of predation. Have you seen? So it's represented by Fn, which is equal to A times N over 1 plus A times Th times N, where Th is what? The handling time of the predator. Or equivalently, we can represent Fn is Cmax times N over N plus K. We can represent either of the two. where A is the attacking rate, TH is handling time. It includes the time taken to catch, kill, eat, search, and digest the prey. So this is the handling time. It's said to be handling time is this one. So it has the carrying capacity K, where the maximum number of preys in that area. It is just looks like an increasing, but it reaches to its maximum capacity that the prey carry, the predators, and then downs to in such a way. So Cmax is 1 over TH, and K is 1 over A times TH, where Cmax is what? Cmax is maximum, the maximum number of preys that are eaten by the predators, which is related to the handling time. They are inversely related. And K is the carrying capacity, which is 1 over attacking rate times the handling time, which is also K and the handling time and the attacking rate are inversely related. So holding type 2 is represented by either of this one or this one. More it's natural type of common type of functional response that we may use in a predator-prey model. For instance, we can drive the holding type to functional response in such a way. So we have the total number of time is the searching time plus handling time. So as we have said it before, in the first, at the beginning of this presentation, total time is equal to search plus the handling time times the total number of preys that are eaten. And encounters can be represented by this one. The search time times the total number of preys and the total searching time. So solve for the total number of preys eaten by the predator. So we can represent, solve for this one from this. You can say T minus TS, which is equal to T minus handling time times the total number of preys eaten. So you can substitute here in the place of this one. We can substitute here. So the total number of preys eaten, which is equal to searching times times the total number of preys times total time minus the handling times times the number of preys eaten. So number of preys eaten here and here, rearranging that, collecting like terms, and we obtain this one. Now from the function that f of n is the total number of preys eaten per total time. The total number of preys eaten per total time. I think we have said this thing on the beginning of this lecture. I think we have said this one. Total number of preys consumed here. The total number of preys consumed. The total number of preys consumed. The function Fn, which is equal to the total number of preys consumed over the total time, which rearranging in such a way, we obtain that Fn is A times n over 1 plus A times Th times A, which is the natural way of expressing holding type to functional response. The diagrams here show that low prey density and high prey density. So in low prey density, we search a lot. The predator search a lot. Have you seen? The time the predator to get a food, it searches a lot. In the high prey density compared to the low prey density, the search time is small. The searching time is small. The other one is holding type 2, or which we call it sigmoid response. We call it sigmoid response. So the consumption rate is just as S-shaped or sigmoid-shaped plot, and at low prey density. The consumption rate is low at low prey density, and accelerates then decelerates to the asymptote. It accelerates first, then it decelerates then asymptotically. So a Holding type 2 functional response in general is represented by this one. Fn, the consumption rate, which is equal to A times n squared over 1 plus A times t, the total handling time times n squared, which is a formal Holding type 3 functional response. And generalized functional form is just you can change square by theta, which is learning ability of a predator to search the prey. Theta is just when theta is greater than 1. Typically, we use theta which is equal to 2. But if it's greater than 2, the searching times, the availability to get the predator is the prey for a predator is good. So the density-dependent search rate, the predators learn or switch and provide stability to the prey population. Learning time, theta is a learning time, and switching. So a functional response of type 3 or Holding type 3 is of the form like this one. So this one talks about prey switching. Predators switch to alternative prey when preferred prey is rare, and predators become more efficient when experienced, which is learning time. And the refuges, prey have refuges at low density, and searching imaging. Predators develop search imaging for images for common prey, and aggressive response. Predators aggregate in high prey areas. So I think the diagram shows something about that. The other one, I think the comparison of the three Holding types, comparison is, I think it's here, it's summarized. The other one is the Cmax for each Holding types, type 2, type 3, type 2 and subtype 3. There's a Cmax is 1 over Th, but the Cmax for the type 1 response is the constant. Is a constant there, but the type 2 and type 3 are inversely related to the handling time. They are inversely related to the handling time. I think. Okay. The other one, I think, prey switching is a behavioral phenomena where predators change their diet preference based on the prey availability. They actively switch to consume more of the most abundant prey type while ignoring or consuming less of the rare predators, the prey types. So which is said to be prey switching. Without switching, predators eat prey in a proportion to their availability. If there is a switching, predators overconsume most common prey and underconsume rare prey. They left rare prey and consume the most available prey. The most available prey. The big concept here is high prey density A leads to more handling time and less searching time if there is high prey density. And if there is low prey density, less handling time and more searching time. I'm saying if you have less density in the prey, the predator will search more time and less handling time because there is a scarcity of prey density in that area. If there is high prey density, we will have more handling time and less searching time. I think if there are cases of multi-species functional responses, if functional response is multi-species, when the predators feed on multiple species, N1, N2, up to Nj, So the general predator has of the form like this one. The general predator may have of the form like this one. I think these are some of the concepts that I may say something about. The ratio-dependent functional response. Ratio-dependent functional response is just represented by this one, and the other one is predator-dependent የሚባሉ ኮንሰፕቶች አሉ። አይ ቲንክ እሱን ወደ ኢኮሎጂ ወደ ማትማቲካል ኢኮሎጂ በምትሄዱበት ሰዓት አይ ቲንክ እዛ ጋር በደንብ ታዩታላችሁ ብዬ አስባለሁ። what I have is this one. I think this is enough for today. I don't have lots of knowledge about this content, but I try my best to የተወሰነ ካገኛችሁ እናንተም ማስፋት ስለምችሉ ሜቢ ብርቁን ጠይቁት በዚህ ጉዳይ አስተምራችሁ ሊሆን ይችላል። መነሻ ሀሳብ ነው። እሺ 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 ኖ ፈንክሽናል ሪስፖንስ ፎር አለ ያየው ይመስለኛል። አንድ አርቲክል ላይ ፈንክሽናል ሪስፖንስ ፎር አይቻልም። አይ ቲንክ ፈንክሽናል ሪስፖንስ ዲፔንድ የሚያደርገው ነምበር ኦፍ ፕሪዳተር ኮንሲደር ያደረግነው ይመስለኛል። ሪያሊስቲክ የሆነ ለምሳሌ አንበሳን ከሆነ ነገር ጋር ኢት ዲፔንድስ ኦን ዘ ፕሬ ኤንድ ፕሪዳተር ይመስለኛል። ለምሳሌ ኢንሴክት ምናምን ቢሆን ፈንክሽናል ሪስፖንስቱን ብትወስደው ችግር የለውም። ለምሳሌ ዲዘርት ሎከስት ቢሆን ያሰብነው ዲዘርት ሎከስት የሆነን ፕላንት ኤሪያ ከቨር ሲያደርገው ከሆነ ያሰብነው ፈንክሽናል ሪስፖንስቱ ብንጠቀም ኢፌክቲቭ ሊሆን ይችላል። አይ ቲንክ በዛ ወይ ነው ማሰብ ያለብን እንጂ ዝም ብለን እኛ ደስ ስላለን ምናምን አይደለም። እና ደግሞ አይ ቲንክ ሊትሬቸሮቹን ስታነቡ ሞር በደንብ ታገኛላችሁ ብዬ አስባለሁ። እኔ እንኳን አልሰራሁም እንግዲህ በዚህ ኤሪያ አይ ቲንክ ቱ ሴይ ሰምቲንግ የግድ ኤክስፒሪየንሱ ሊያስፈልገኝ አይ ቲንክ ሊያፕሎ ፋንክሽንን አይገን ቫልዩ ጋር የሚገናኘው ነገር የለም። ኢትስ ዲፔንድስ ኦን ዘ ፖዚቲቭ ዴፊኒት ኤንድ ኔጌቲቭ ሰሚ ዴፊኒት ነው። ይሄ ዴሪቬቲቭ እና ዋናው ሊያፕሎ ፋንክሽኑ እዛ ጋር ነው የሚያያዘው እንጂ ስለ ኤገን ቫልዩ ነገር አናወራም። አይ ቲንክ ሊያፕሎ ፋንክሽን ስንጠቀም እና አንተ ቤዝድ ኦን ዘ ሞዴል ዛት ዩ ሃቭ ኢዚሊ በሩትርስ ክራይቴሪያ እንትን የምትለው ከሆነ ኢትስ ዌል you can use but root criterion by itself የምንጠቀመው local stability ነው። global stability ሲመጣ ምን ልትጠቀም so more preferable ብናደርገው when we are looking Lyapunov function when we want to prove the global stability of the unequilibrium point say ከሩትርስ ክራይቴሪያ ይልቅ Lyapunov የምንጠቀም global stability ቼክ ለማድረግ ነው so እሱን ሜትድ የምንጠቀመው ለዛ ነው ልልህ ነው። እና ይሄ ዲፔንዲንግ ኦን ሲስተም ሎካል ስቴቢሊቲ ብዙ ጊዜ ብሩት ክራይቴሪያ አይ ቲንክ በቂ ይመስለኛል። ሊያፕኖ ፋንክሽንን ለግሎባል ስቴቢሊቲ ፕሪፈር ብናደርገው ነው የተሻለ ነው። ቢኮዝ ብሩት ክራይቴሪያ ለግሎባል ስቴቢሊቲ እየተግባባን ነው። ጥያቄ ሳይሆን አይ ሞቲቬትድ ሆናችሁ ያነበባችሁ ነው። የኔ የኔ ደግሞ ኧረ ምንም እኔ ኖርማል ታብሌት ነው የምጠቀመው። የእናንተ እንዳይሆን ያው ማይኩን ኦን ስታደርጉት ያው የእናንተ እንትን ይሄ ከሩሙ አንጻር እንትን ሊል ይመስለኛል። ወይም ደግሞ ስክሪኑ ላይ ያለው ማይክሮፎን ከላፕቶፓችሁ ጋር እንትን ስለሚል ነው። በቀጥታ የማኔጅ ማድረግ የምትችሉ ከሆነ ስክሪኑን ብቻ መክፈት ትችላል። ሪከርድ ለማድረግ ደግሞ አይመቻችሁም እንጂ እና ስክሪኑ ላይ ለማየት እንዲመቻችሁ ስክሪኑ ላይ ስለከፈታችሁት የሁለቱ የላፕቶፓችሁና የስክሪኑ ኢኮ ነው ወይም እንዴት እንደምታ ሶ አይ ቲንክ እዚህ ጋር ሪኮመንድ ማድረጋችሁ ምንድን ነው ሜቢ አይ ዶንት ኖ ስለ አሊ ኢፌክት እና ፊር ኢፌክት ፕሬፕሪዳተር ሞዴል ላይ አይ ቲንክ እዛ ጋር ማየት ከፈለጋችሁ እሱን ነገር እስኪ አብራችሁ ስታነቡ እዩት።